Roleplay, a weekend routine, at home and outside. This roleplay is a casual conversation between two friends, Rojan and Sneha, talking about how they spend their weekend, especially on a Saturday. It shows how people talk about household chores, like cleaning, washing clothes, watering plants, daily tasks, like going to the market, cooking, healthy habits, like jogging, doing yoga, or going to the gym, free time and relaxation, like drinking coffee or catching up with friends. Bullseye purpose of the dialogue: to practice everyday English used in real-life weekend situations. To learn common verbs and phrases like clean the house, do laundry, water the plants, order food online, go to the market, exercise, yoga, jogging. To understand natural spoken English, friendly, informal, and practical.
Hey Rojan, happy Saturday. Got any special plans today?
Hi Sneha, not really. I'm just going to clean the house and do some laundry.
Oh, same here. I've already done the dishes and watered the plants.
That's great. After cleaning, I'm planning to go to the market.
What do you need to buy?
Just some vegetables, fruits, and groceries for the week.
I went yesterday. The tomatoes were really cheap.
Good to know. I'll check them out. Are you cooking something special today?
Yes, I'm going to try making biryani for lunch.
Wow, I love biryani. I usually cook something simple, like rice and curry.
Do you cook every day?
Not always. Sometimes I order food online, especially when I'm tired.
I do the same. By the way, do you exercise regularly?
I try to. I go for a jog in the evening or sometimes do yoga at home.
That's nice. I prefer going to the gym in the morning.
Good idea. Staying fit is important, especially with all our screen time at work.
Totally agree. Anyway, let's catch up later. Maybe over some coffee.
Sure, that sounds perfect. See you soon.
Thank you for watching our roleplay on A Weekend Routine. We hope you enjoyed it and learned some useful English phrases. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video. That was our weekend routine conversation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practice videos. Keep speaking, keep improving. See you soon.